Hey everybody, David here, and as a piano technician, I get to work on pianos, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how the grand piano action works. The action is the mechanism inside of your piano that helps transform your energy and your emotions into music, and it does this with thousands of little moving parts that work together to create sound. This is a single note of a grand piano action. And as you can see, there's a lot of moving parts and they all work together to help you create sound. Now, the way that this works is as you press down on the key, this whole assembly here called the wippen assembly is engaged and moves the hammer and the hammer assembly up towards the string. Now, just like with an upright piano, the hammer never fully butts up against the string. It disengages or lets off just before it hits the string. And it does that by the use of this mechanism right here called the jack. This allows the hammer to be reset and the entire note to be played again. Now, unlike the upright piano, which has a single escapement action mechanism, the grand has a double escapement mechanism. So it not only has this jack, but it has this part of the wippen right here. This is called the wippen lever. And what this does is it allows that hammer to lift up ever so slightly so that this jack can go back into its place, which means that you can play the note much faster than that of an upright piano because it has this dual escapement action. Hopefully that's helpful, and now you know just a little bit more about how your grand action works.